Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 216. If we start with this box, we're missing 1, 6, and 9. We've got a 1 here, so 6, 9. 1 and 9 here. So this is our 6, 9, 1. For this box, we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing a 4. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're missing an 8. For this column, we're missing 3 and 6. And I don't see any help. So 3, 6, 3, 6. For this column, we're missing 2, 7, and 9. We've got a 7 here and a 7 here, so this must be our 7. I don't see any other help. So 2, 9, 2, 9. For this top row, we're missing 3, 6, and 9. And I don't see any help. So 3, 6, 9, 3, 6, 9, 3, 6, 9. For this row, we're missing 5, 6, and 7. We've got a 5 here, so 6, 7. 6 here, so 5, 7. And no help here, 5, 6, 7. For this row, we're missing 2, 7, and 9. We've got a 7 here, so 2, 9, 9 here, so 2, 7, and no help here, 2, 7, 9. If we look at this box, we're missing 3, 4, 6, and 9. We've got a 4 and 6 here. So 3, 9, 9 here, so 3, 4, 6. No help here, 3, 4, 6, 9. And no help here, 3, 4, 6, 9. We look at this column, we're missing 3, 5, 6, and 9. We've got 3 and 5 here, so 6, 9. 3 and 6 here, so 5, 9. 6 and 9 here, so 3, 5. For this row, we're missing 1, 2, 3, and 9. We've got a 1, 3, 9 here, so this is our 2. We've got the 9 here, but I don't see any other help. So 1, 3. But now if we take a look back, that 2 makes this our 9, 3, 1. That 9 makes this our 2. With this 3, we can get rid of this 3, this 3, this 3. And also this 3. If we look at this row, we're missing 3, 4, 6, and 8. We've got 3, 6, and 8 here. So this is our 4. That 4 makes this our 6, 3, 8. And that 6 makes this our 7 and 9 and 4. Let's do some more cleanup now. That 4 and 6 means this is our 9. With that 9, we can get rid of this 9 and this 9. That 7 makes this our 5, 6. With that 2, we can get rid of this 2. All right, so this box now we're missing 3 and 5. We've got a 3 here, so 5, 3. That 3 makes this our 6. For this column, we're missing 7 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 7, 9. That 9 makes this our 2, 7. For this column now, we're missing 2 and 8. We've got a 2 here, so 8, 2. For this box now, we're missing 1, 5, and 9. We've got 1 and 9 here, so this is our 5. I don't see any other help, so 1, 9, 1, 9. But that 5 makes this our 3, 6, 3. And that 6 makes this our 9, 5. And that 9 makes this our 1, 9. For this row now, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing a 6. For this bottom row, we're missing 2 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 2, 4. And for this box now, we're missing 1 and 7. We've got a 1 here, so 7 and 1. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.